Stratification means slicing your data into meaningful groups so you can find patterns that are hidden in the overall average. This matters because aggregate data can hide the real story. For example, your overall defect rate might be 4.1%. At first, that sounds like one single process problem. But when you stratify the data by product type, the picture changes. Electronics might be at 1.2%. Clothing might be at 2.8%. Food might be at 3.1%. But homeware might be at 9.7%. Now you know the real improvement opportunity is not the whole process, it is homeware. To complete stratification, start with your overall problem. Then choose a sensible category to split the data by. Common stratification variables include time, people, equipment, product, location, and process. For time, you might compare shift, day of week, month, season, or before and after a change. For people, you might compare operator, team, trainer, or experience level. For equipment, you might compare machine, production line, tool, or workstation. For product, you might compare product type, SKU, size, or complexity. For location, you might compare site, region, department, or work area. For process, you might compare process variant, supplier, or input material. Once you have chosen the category, calculate the result for each group separately. Then compare the groups. You are looking for a clear difference. If one group is much worse than the others, that group may point you towards the root cause. The key lesson is simple. Do not only look at the average. Averages can hide the problem. Stratification helps you find where the issue is really happening, so your improvement work is focused on the right area.
SimplicityHub, making things simple. Use our resources today for your CI projects.